So here we are at the OpenCart website right now at the home page, and here you can see this particular banner that is going to the right, going to the left, and here the customers can find all of the created banners that the admin has created from the admin backend panel, depending upon the requirement there. And now the customer can do from the front end is that he can click on any of these banners and can check the different products that are under these banners. So for example, here we have for a summer spent in pretty ruffles and flirty dresses. So if I click on that, this brings up this section now, wherein I'll be able to check the products within that particular banner, and those products are basically on sale. And here you can see that all of the products within this particular banner that the admin has created for the summer are being displayed. Here the customers can see the discounted price as well. So here you can see that it was for $78 initially, but now it is for $30 only, and the same is for the other products as well. And apart from that, at the top on the banner here you can see the week, day, hours and minute and seconds. So this is the time left out for grabbing this particular opportunity of the sale, wherein the customers first see this particular what we say as the banner, and tapping that banner brings up the section with the discounted price of the products, and from here the customers can choose the products and can purchase a product at a discounted price. So you, as well, you can see that we have this weeks, days, hours, minutes and seconds. This is the countdown timer for this particular deal that the admin has created from the admin backend panel. So let me go back and and the customers can just tap here to go right. Let me tap this one. So this brings up the time or the countdown timer, and the products within this particular sale, as you can see, with a discounted price. All of them are with discounted prices. And here the banner that the admin had created was for the limited period offer, and the admin was giving a flat 80% off on the men's watches. So from here the customer can add the respective discounted product into the cart and can make a checkout thereafter. So right now I've not logged into my customer account, so I've just logged in, and now I'll just make a checkout with the discounted price for the products that were there under the different what we say as the limited period offering. So here I'll just choose this and tap continue, and lastly I'll confirm the order as a customer. So that's the workflow of the customer, how he can basically see the different OpenCart season sale banners at the storefront. So if I tap here on the home button, so here's the banner that we were talking about. So this can be set up by admin from the backend, and then the customers can check any of these banners, and if they find anything popular and good to choose, they can just tap and check the different products that are under that particular banner with the respective discounts. Now let's go to the backend and let's see how the admin would be able to set up this OpenCart season sale plugin. So for that, let me take you to the admin now. So here I'm at the OpenCart website backend, and I've entered my username password, and I'll be logging into my account now. So after I've logged into my account and I've installed successfully this particular season sale plugin, I'll have this season sale option in the side panel, as you can see here, and we have two different options there. One is the season sale and the configuration settings. So to make the initial configuration settings for the season sales, I'll just open this configuration settings for the same and another video, and we'll also be checking the season sale section. So let me tap on the season sale. So before going through the season sale, let me take you to the configuration settings for the OpenCart season sale. So the admin can enable or disable this particular functionality for showing the season sale banners at the website front end. Enabling would show it, disabling would disable it for the website front end. The admin can set up the season sale banner width according to the image that he wants to set up, and he can also set up the season sale banner height at the web store front end. So this image that we are talking about, or the one that we just saw at the home page, these images. So after that, the admin can set up the background color season sale list. So this color that you choose here would be visible. For example, if I tap here on this particular banner, season sale banner, now here you can see the products are there and the banner, but in the background we have one more color, that's the light greenish color. So that color can be set up from the background color season sale list section, and the admin can also set up the season sale default banner. For example, if the admin does so basically this would be used in case if the season sale banner is not uploaded by the admin. So this is the banner for that, and the example for that would be, let me show you the default banner. So for example, we have added this banner to this particular thing, the second one as well, third one as well, fourth one as well, but this one we forgot to add a banner image. So right now the default image that we have here would be assigned to that particular banner that the admin has created. Then just tap here on the save button, and the initial configuration settings would be saved for the OpenCart season sales plugin. Now thereafter we just need to go to the season sales section here, and from here the admin can add new season sales and can delete as when one by one and in bulk as well. So if I want to delete them, I can choose the numbers that I want to delete, and then we can tap here on the delete button. For deleting in bulk, we can choose all and tap here on the delete button to delete them. Now how can we add a season sale? To add that, just tap here on the add new button, and that brings up the add new season sale section. So you can set the status of this new season sale banner as enabled. Then we can set up the season sale title. We can set up the season sale title color, the season sale title font color, the font size, the subtitle color, the subtitle font size, and the season sale subtitle font size as well. Thereafter you can set up the season sale start date and the season sale end date. So when does the sale start and end? You can add the season sale banner. You can set the season sale background color, and you can also set up the season sale timer section in pixels. So the thing that we just showed you here, this one, the countdown timer that we were talking about. So you can set the data for that as well, and actually we can set up the sale timer section margins. So we can set up the margins in px. We can also set up the season sale timer section float, and where you want to have it, initial, left, none, or the right. And lastly we have the add products for the sale season sale. So here you'll be able to add the products that you want to display on the season sale. So if I just tap here, I'll choose the beach prom desk. The customer group would be the one that you want to choose for the priority and the price for this particular product. Similarly, you can choose a model necklace, and the price will be 33, and let's choose a straw hat, and the price will be 33. Now thereafter you just need to tap here on the save button, and your season sale would be created along with the products that you have edited here under that on sale. So let's go back one time, and let me edit any of them. So let's go to this one, the season sale for the man watch that we use at the front end. Let me edit that up, and from here let me go to that particular banner once again. So alright, next, and this. So the season sale that we have already created was for the season sale for the main watch. So this was the page that we had created. Now come back. So we have set up the sale title color, the color of the title there, then the title font type, season sale title font size, the subtitle color, the subtitle font, and the sale start date and the end date, along with the season sale banner, this one, the watch one. So it's the same one here as well. Then we have set the sale background color, the sale timer section margin. Just give me a second for that. The margins we have set up, and we have set up the sale timer section float where you want to set it up on the left, so it's on the left. And thereafter we have added the products within it, and we have set the price for each of the products, so that's the discounted price for the products. So that was much about the OpenCart season sale plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how the admin can add the season sale banners at the storefront end and can add different products at low cost or on discounts, and how the customers would be able to choose any of these banners and can wear the particular products that the admin has designed to the related banners, and how the customers can then purchase the same, and how the admin can create the season banners from the admin backend panel. So that was much about the OpenCart season sale plugin, and I hope it helped you out. And if you still have any questions, queries, or doubts or suggestions, kindly reach out to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvidus.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.